Have you ever seen a machine slice through a giant tree in seconds? Get ready, it's happening.
In the heart of a cold winter landscape, the bright red Izumi fully AT firewood processor stands out against the pure white snow like a mechanical giant from another world. Snow covers the yard, the wind bites through the air, but the machine works steadily, powerfully, unfazed by the cold. Massive wands are lifted by the feeder, and the hydraulic ram forcefully pushes each log into the sharp central splitting wedge. With a clean, crushing motion, the thick log is shattered into meat firewood pieces, while it chips and vaporizes from the cold timber like mist in the frozen air. The Izumi fully HC, built for the toughest, densest logs, performs flawlessly even in sub-zero temperatures. The operator, seated comfortably in the control cabin, moves the levers with precision, while the machine relentlessly cuts, splits, and delivers. The yard echoes with the hum of the engine and the crack of braking wood, a rhythmic winter symphony of power and precision. At the Shitiriada's coal mine, the Caterpillar 992G wheel loader operates like a steel beast, roaring fiercely as it scoops up buckets of dense black coal. The coal is dumped into the giant truck bed with a loud bang, creating a bustling, powerful, and overwhelming scene in the depths of the mine. With the Caterpillar DAT roaring into the battlefield, the scene became chaotic and dramatic. It pushed huge blocks of material down the quarry, the engine running at full power, the horsepower overflowing, creating a powerful and breathtaking mechanical spectacle. A land-clearing powerhouse combining the ASB RT-110 track loader with the Denisi MAF DAF 180D mulching head. Built for tough terrain, it shreds brush, saplings, and undergrowth in the fine mulch in just one pass. Its high-flow hydraulics and rugged design deliver precision and power, making it perfect for forestry, trails, and utility clearing. Some terrain was never meant to be tamed, until now. This isn't a lawnmower, this is a terrain-clearing powerhouse, a wheel loader paired with a high-torque rotary cutter transforms into a brush-clearing beast. Overgrowth gone. Tall weeds, flattened, small trees, shredded. With every pass, thick vegetation falls away, the hydraulic head adjusts to the slope. Glides over rocks, powers through roots, and never skipping, never stalling. Inside the cab, the operator stays protected, comfortable, in control. One joystick, one view. And a job that would take 5 workers is finished in one smooth operation. From roadside shoulders to forest perimeters, from under power lines to remote embankments, this machine was built to clear where others hesitate. Durable, fast, safe, fire risk reduced, access restored, and when the dust settles, you're left with land that's open, usable, and ready for what's next. This is not mowing, this is dominance on wheels. Shredded into pine chips, ejected smoothly from the rear conveyor ship. Whether the chipper is stationed deep in a forest, beside a roadside, or at an industrial yard, it performs its duty flawlessly, without hesitation, as though no environment can disrupt its operation. For the workers, there's deep respect for the machine's power, but never complacency. Every movement, every hand signal is deliberate and calculated. They know that one mistake near this beast of steel could lead to serious consequences. In the whirlwind of engines, with dust and wind, what stands out is a sense of professionalism, discipline, and silent cooperation between man and machine. A large-scale wax splitter, purpose-built for 4 simultaneous operators, forms a synchronized and efficient wood processing line. The machine is open from 4 sides, with each operator managing a specific control station, working in perfect harmony, like interlocking gears within a massive industrial engine. massive wads are fed in from multiple directions. The combination of razor-sharp splitting blades and powerful hydraulic pushers quickly and cleanly breaks the logs down into smaller, uniform pieces. The sound of splitting wood echoes from all sides, blending with the steady hum of machinery and coordinated movements into a vibrant industrial rhythm. Splitting actions occur smoothly and safely, with each operator playing a vital role in maintaining the continuous flow. From every angle, large logs are systematically transformed into finished firewood, ready for storage or loading. Amidst the majestic scenery of the French house, the Komatsu D375A-8 roars with power. The giant machine plows through snow and rocks, diligently clearing a path between the high mountains. The sound of the engine echoes in the wild nature, creating an unforgettable spectacular scene. Next, the Cat 988 suddenly roared down, starting the challenging work. The wheels waded deep, water splashed every time it shuffled the ground. The engine ran at full speed. The horsepower exploded, creating a powerful and breathtaking scene. Immediately after the spectacular performance before, the D8 machine continued to enter the game. Roaring fiercely, it rushed into the thick grass flat. The engine operated at full power, horsepower overflowed, creating a powerful and exciting mechanical spectacle.